At first, the diver thought the seals were just playing around, but soon something extraordinary unfolds. What the diver doesn't realize is that this is no game. This is a rescue mission in the making. The seal swims off and comes back with another seal. Together, they try to nudge the diver towards safety, pulling at his gear. The diver still refuses their help. Tireless efforts, but the diver refuses. The seals, determined and relentless, won't give up. Their instincts are clear. They're trying to save him. The diver begins to notice the urgency as more seals join, surrounding him. Together, they work as a team to pull him towards safety. The seals show incredible empathy. A family of seals finally arrives, working together as one to guide the diver to safety. Their empathy and teamwork shine through, showing the deep bond between humans and animals. The diver reaches the surface, free from danger, looking around in awe and gratitude at the seals, a rescue like no other, guided by nature's guardians. This awe-inspiring moment will leave you speechless, reminding us of the profound connection we share with the animal kingdom.